What's up, everyone? In this video, we're going to be doing the weekly recap of the stat modeling strategy. Today is September 25th of 2021, and we had a lot happen in the market this week. We saw a lot of downwards movement and a lot of upwards movement, and overall, it was a pretty decent week. So let's get right into the recap. We can see that we still have a good amount of plays open. We have entered a CRSR leap. We got some TLT puts going. So yeah, we have a lot of plays in the works still, which is a good thing, given the market's current conditions and given that there's no real momentum in either direction right now. So either way, we do have a lot of positions open, which is a good thing. We picked up a nice TLT play this week, a TLT put debit spread. Michael Burry is pretty bearish on TLT. He has a pretty big position with it, and yeah, so it's good to see smart money flowing into a trade that you're in. And then on top of that, this is basically just a bet against rates rising, which definitely looks a little scary right now. We can see like the 30-year Treasury bond futures took a bit of a beating on Thursday and Friday. So either way, it's good to see this TLT play moving very well. RCL is also looking very, very good right now. We've been in calls in this one for a while. Talenteer starting to break out, which is good. At the same time, we are still holding that VXX call from the other week. VXX definitely took a beating this week, but I'd rather have VXX fall and then have Palantir, RCL, and a bunch of other stocks rise. So the VXX play is a hedge play, and at the same time, we did short a call on it this week to kind of limit the time decay and the the theta exposure, you can say. So that was good to see. We also turned the Palantir play into a spread, which basically makes it a win-win. If Palantir is above $33 on the expiration date for we sold the call, then we're going to lock in profits on our leap. And if it's below it, we just keep the profits from the short call. So that was a great play. Overall, swings have been working pretty good. We have a lot of plays in the works and a lot of good setups on the way. So that's been doing pretty well. If we go to the bot this week, it wasn't great, but it wasn't horrible either. Like Apple, RUN, and CHPT, they didn't tank or anything like that. It's just they didn't move too much. NCLH was pretty good, as well as AAL. Those had some pretty good momentum, and it was nice to see those ones pop off. But, again, it wasn't anything crazy to the upside or the downside with really any plays this week. Definitely wasn't like Moderna last week, popping up 103%. So, good stuff there. And then looking into the premium selling plays as usual, very slow and steady growth, but it's been pretty awesome, we can see the profits right here, and it's like a nice slow and steady increase, which is exactly what you want, especially for a selling put strategy or a premium selling strategy, you can say. It's been working very well, and we definitely are very proud of this channel. If you don't sell puts, I would highly recommend looking into it. And if you need any help selling puts, feel free to ask any questions in the Discord. Hunter, Tom, and myself will be more than happy to help you out. But overall, premium selling's been pretty awesome. And, given the market's current position right now where there isn't huge momentum in either direction, I'm glad that we have multiple swings open, and if we see a huge move to the upside or the downside, we will definitely adjust accordingly. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and have an amazing weekend.